Discover the future of drones with Elsight Limited, ASX ELS. Hey there, Aussie investors. Ready to soar into the world of cutting-edge tech? Elsight Limited is taking flight, and we've got the exclusive updates. Numbers talk. The September 2023 quarterly report is in, showing an 11% growth in recurring revenues. Despite operational cash outflows, Elsight's tech prowess remains unmatched. Sky's the limit. Drones are booming beyond military use, and Elsight is at the forefront. The charts reveal a massive market opportunity as drones take over consumer, commercial, and civil applications. Elsight's Halo system, FAA certified, is a game changer. No more waivers needed, allowing flights over people and infrastructure. With 21 partners repeating orders, the growth strategy is on track. Risk analysis. Regulatory risks are on the radar, but Elsight's FAA certification marks a significant milestone. The technical analysis indicates potential for growth with positive signals from RSI and a solid monthly chart pattern. Final call. Elsight Limited is not just flying high, it's paving the way for a tech revolution. All data are sourced from company announcements and Refinitiv, Thomson Reuters. Don't forget to share, and subscribe.